So I just met Em and her two friends visiting from Toronto at a cafe where I was doing some writing on the Talk to More People book, which I'm very proud to say will be completed on Monday. And by completed, I mean completed enough to start the editing process, which really means still probably months away before I can share it with you. Here's how I met them. I overheard Em say the phrase stranger danger. And as this is a subject that I have some expertise in, I couldn't help but ask them what they were speaking about. This led to a really fun conversation between the four of us about why her friends were visiting from Ontario. It led to the realization that Em would really like to improve her networking skills. And what a coincidence that I happen to lead those types of workshops, and there's one coming up on February 19th, and if she's available, she'll come and benefit from that. Which ultimately is what I was just writing about, and that is something called the information exchange. This is one of the many reasons why it's so important and valuable to talk to people you've never met before, is because of this information that you can gain through a random conversation. It might be a tidbit of information about an event, it could be learning about a book resource or a website resource or anything at all. But you never learn that if you don't act when you overhear something that you can relate to, or when you choose not to ask a question even though you're feeling kind of curious. So let this situation, this little story, be a reminder that it's really worthwhile to talk to more people, and I invite you to go out there and do so. If you'd like to receive some free tips on how exactly to do that, please follow the link at the bottom of this video and join my weekly newsletter where I put out tips on exactly that, how to meet people and how to even have fun doing so. Bye for now. At the end of every video, I seem to do this. I don't know why. Am I worried I'm getting attacked? Who knows? Conversations change lives. If you want to change yours, have more conversations with people. Take care.